Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is learning to love myself. You are the standard. The world is not going to treat you better than you treat yourself. So make sure that you set the bar, how to love you, how to respect you, how to be in your presence and cherish you, because the way that you cherish yourself is going to show everyone else how to cherish you also. So remember that. Be your biggest cheerleader. I choose to see the beauty in me. My wealth lies in my nature and my gifts. I transform my weaknesses into strength, and I realize that I'm a being of light, and I allow myself to shine, baby, shine. Do not dim your own light, because I need you and the world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.